Welcome to Tech Talk by MSR. In this video I will let you know that how to add IDM extension to Google Chrome or any other browser. Now follow my clicks. When you open Google Chrome, it will automatically detect the extension. Then click on Enable Extension. If it is not detected by your Chrome, then do as I am doing and add extension to your browser. Now as you can see that the extensions is added successfully. Now let's check it works or not. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the channel.